How to find page new likes notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page new likes notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find pages. And here you will find select your page and then click this settings icon in the top corner and then click notifications, and now on Facebook then just click here you will find that new likes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.